Today we are driving, hold down. Today we are driving to the nearest Rainforest cafe because my husband said he's never been and Sophia's never been either.
So right now we about to get on the road. We got about like an hour and a half drive.
It's like a childhood memory for me. An hour and a half away, but it's worth it to me.
Can't climb on the rocks. Do not climb on the This is cool. So chat, man, I give this restaurant a 10 out of 10. Would recommend.
The food here is better than I remember it as a kid.